Du ser bra. Nu känns det som att jag kommer ramla fram. Här ramlar jag.
Jag har inte vagn.
Today's episode. How do you do into welcome to Stories of My Life. So today, Friday, Stockholm, Sweden. We're having one show today, we're having two shows tomorrow, and then we're having the Sunday off. I am smelling terrific. You know why? Well, because I'm wearing my new perfume, Caron Pour. Wait, let me show you. Ta-da! I'm going to take it to work and make everyone smell it because I smell divine. It's vanilla and lavender, among other things. Anyway, on my way to work, I'm going to stop at Ikea and get some sheets because I have changed my bed to a smaller one and the sheets are still the big ones, so I need to get sheets that fit and also something for my fridge, I think. Join me for a fun evening and a lifetime ahead. Hello, here I am outside this great big shopping centre called Gallerian, and as you can see, there's an Ikea there, and I'm going in there. So, join me for an exciting adventure in shopping land. I don't need a watering can. What I'm looking for is sheets for my bed, and also I saw some sort of jar or big boxes you could have to store things in your fridge, and they were see-through, and I'm all about see-through these days. Oh, look. Really annoying at Ikea is... Oh, no. Well, I found them, so scratch that. I also want a Lazy Susan. So, happy birthday to me. So Ikea is relaunching a lot of old designs, and I thought, yeah, I think I want that pillow. And also, I'd like that chair, but I haven't got room for it. Fitted sheets. Here we go. Done, and most of it I got this voucher for Christmas. So I only had to pay about $12 for all that stuff. Yes. Thank you, Mummy and Daddy. This is Johanna's face when she smells this on my arm.
Mmm. Very erotic. Very... This is something I could wear.
Yeah.
Very herbal. Or like essential oil type of vibe.
Yeah.
Very like earthy. Yeah. Nice.
Well, you can have a spritz.
It's like having sex in the woods.
Yes! Sex in the Woods would be the new name for it. we came to work. David said, have a taste of this. And we did. And David,
Yeah.
you want to sell it?
Yes, they're good.
What is it?
It's pretzel pieces with jalapeno taste.
And where did you buy it?
Bottom at normal. Normal.
And if there was a song in the background now, what song would that be?
You are so normal to me.
Read this following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
Always get me down.
Complete the following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
Are kind of nice.
The following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
Sucks.
Finish the following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
Are for masturbating on the couch.
So Johanna has some...
Benen med ryggen är inte. Så jag kommer liksom...
She had some massage and now she's going to explain everything.
Så låter det gnisslar när jag ställer mig upp. Och så tar det liksom jävligt lång tid innan jag kommer hit och kan bli en person igen. Ska jag plocka upp något från golvet så kan det bli så här. Du vet, måste gå ner åt sidan. I'm so weak. Så när om jag har suttit på bänken och så ska springa iväg och byta på tuva så är det verkligen så här. Ja! korridoren att jag bara... Lagom tills jag kommer till logen så kan jag gå raka i ryggen. Så har det varit. Det har gjort jävligt ont. Så jag har fått lite övningar. Som jag ska göra. Mycket så här...
The education
Så ska jag
continues.
liksom komma med benen hit, sträcka ut och så långsamt ner. För jag är jättesvag här. Och så igen. Och så.
Lite höftböjande liksom.
Och så ska jag göra liksom sida till sida så här.
All right.
Finish the following sentence. Rainy days and Sundays.
Are bad days.
Det är alltid den sidan. Nu känns det som att jag kommer ramla fram. Här ramlar jag.
Jag har inte.
The following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
A great day for champagne.
The following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
It's the best thing in the world. Oh, oh.
The following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
Jag har den här bakling, eller filmer du bara? Okej. Rainy days on
Rainy days and Mondays.
raining dogs and men.
The following sentence.
Yes.
Rainy days and Mondays.
Are days with rain.
The following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
Will forever be.
The following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
And the Saturday will be sunny.
Finish the following sentence. Rainy days and Mondays.
Goes fucking bort.
Finish the following sentence.
Nej,
Rainy days and Mondays.
I hate them. Nej, det var inget bra.
Emma suddenly started wearing glasses. Do you usually have contacts?
No.
You just got glasses now?
Yeah, or it's like those cheap kinds.
Yeah?
But it's just
Reading glasses?
Huh?
Is it reading glasses?
No, it's like minus one.
Yeah? So you haven't been to an optician? I think you should.
Yeah, I think I should too.
Yeah.
But I
'Cause-
must do that, and it's expensive.
Yes, but I mean, you might ruin your eyesight if you have the wrong glasses.
I think it's worse with the lenses, actually.
Or if you have the wrong, contacts. Yeah.
Contacts.
Yeah.
Yes. But this is like, it's fine. I usually just use them like in very specific, like if I'm a little bit tired.
Okay. Good. It's intermission here at the theatre. Emma is studying the script. No one knows why. David is fixing something to do with eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
Lashes and lashes of eyelash.
Lashes of ginger bear.
Let's see what happens on stage. Are there any actors? Oh yes, we have one of them doing something. absolutely a hard time getting up. This, people, is what alcohol and drugs can do to you. He used to be so handsome, and now he can't even get up.
Catch. Right.
Okej.
Har du övat hemma?
Nej, jag kan det. Så. Boom. Okej. Det är liksom... kör. Go. Vi tar det sakta.
Okej. Vänta. Okej, den sen hit. Jag vill liksom...
Ja, exakt.
Okej.
Allihop! Vad var det jag sa? Ni ser ju själva!
Tänker du?
Så här är det nu. Och den...
Bam.
The show is over. It's time to get the banana stuff out of Linda's dressing room. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so much.